So we're getting the plastic cleaned up on the Wolverine here. And these magic erasers, man, they're gold. I mean, they just clean this stuff to like brand new looking. Spot like this. I mean, it's not perfect, but you're practically going back to original color without no scratches, no nothing on it. It's amazing. Even like a scratch like this, it'll get the stuff out of it. So you can barely see it. So after this, I'm going to put on probably some kind of detailer, cleaner, wax. But I mean, this stuff's coming right off with this thing. I'm probably going to need more of these. I used 2 on the Banshee. They just look like this. You just wet them. Look how clean this got. I gotta turn a light on. I mean, there's not one spot that didn't come clean on this. It looks brand new almost. I haven't even waxed this yet. Even the red, I used it on. I got it. Somebody said SOS pads, but don't use those. They'll scratch the plastic. Magic erasers are the way to roll. Then make sure you put a little wax on it afterwards, or some kind of detailer stuff. I was going to use McGuire's. So yeah, look at that. Even up in the front here, it was covered in like some kind of black I don't know what it is. It looks like paint. It'll even take that right off. I don't know what they put in these things, but some of the best cleaning things I've ever seen. I mean, once I get this, like, you know, back to clean, it needs a seat cover, of course, but it'll actually look pretty good. Like this black right here. Clean. I mean, that was like, it's not even in the pad. I don't know where it goes. It's like magic. The more you scrub, the more it comes off. Perfect. So yeah, if you wanna do any plastics on motorcycles, ATVs, I mean, it almost even feels rough right here, and then after I do this, it feels smooth again. So I heard that it worked, and I had to give it a shot. So give it a shot. Like, share, and subscribe.